This Diamond Realty and Associates property video is presented by Mindy Wardlaw. Amazing home for the family, kids, and pets, and let's not forget the toys. Home with beautiful concrete floors for easy maintenance and care, open gourmet kitchen West Island, 6-burner gas range with griddle, drawer upgraded dishwasher built-in refrigerator, and more. Fabulous pantry and huge utility room with space for gun cabinet and more. The remote 2 big beds remote, feature a wonderful hall bath, another bed with hall bath remote and remote owner's suite will wow you. Huge separate walk-in closets so no fighting over space, you each has plenty with built-ins as well. Upstairs is a 4th bedroom or media game room, with wiring in place, or just a great place to do what you please. Full bath upstairs. Tons of attic storage too with extra board insulation for low utility bills. Outside, wow! Fenced huge backyard that backs up to green space, outdoor entertaining area with fireplace, and detached garage for the boat and back